Are you tired of feeling like you're constantly trying to manage your finances, but nothing seems to stick? Maybe you've tried budget after budget, yet at the end of each month, you're left wondering where all your money went. You're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a budget that actually works for you, not against you. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the steps to create a personalized budget, but also how to make it effective and adaptable to your life. Let's dive straight into it. The first thing you need to know is that most traditional budgets fail because they don't align with your lifestyle and priorities. Sure, numbers on a spreadsheet might look neat, but if your budget doesn't reflect your real life, sticking to it is going to feel impossible. So, let's build a budget that actually works for you. Before we talk numbers, we need to start with your why. Why are you creating a budget in the first place? Is it to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, build an emergency fund, or just get a better grip on your financial habits? Understanding your reason is crucial. Your why will be the motivation that keeps you accountable and on track. Even some of the most successful people, like Warren Buffett, have a clear understanding of why they manage their finances the way they do. When asked about his wealth-building journey, he emphasized simplicity and consistency. And that's where we're starting today. Now that you've got your why, let's get into the numbers. To make a budget that actually works for you, you need to understand your cash flow, what's coming in and what's going out. This step is about taking an honest snapshot of your financial health. Gather your bank statements, credit card statements, and any other financial records from the past 3 months. Why 3 months? Because this period will give you a realistic average of your spending habits. Once you have your financial records, break down your expenses into categories. You'll want to differentiate between fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage payments, and variable expenses, like dining out or shopping. Here's a tip. Try using percentages to allocate your income. A popular rule of thumb is the 50/30/20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. But don't worry, we'll adjust this to suit your specific needs later. Now, this is where it gets personal, and personal means practical. If the typical budgeting methods don't match your lifestyle, tweak them. For example, if you find that your wants category is closer to 40% rather than 30%, it's okay as long as you adjust other areas to maintain balance. Remember, the goal is to build a budget that actually works for you. Life is unpredictable. That's why your budget needs to be adaptable. Build in a miscellaneous or unexpected expenses category. Trust me, it will save you from feeling like you failed when an unplanned expense pops up. The most resilient budgets have flexibility built into them. Even financial expert Dave Ramsey advises having a rainy day fund for those exact moments. Just a quick break from today's episode. I want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my videos. If you're finding this content valuable, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support is what helps keep this channel going and allows me to continue bringing you helpful content. It really makes a difference in helping me reach more people and keeping you updated with more tips and insights. Thanks again for watching, and now, let's get back to it. A budget is not a set-it-and-forget-it tool. Track your spending weekly, if possible, and compare it against your budget. If you notice you're consistently overspending in a certain area, adjust it. Don't be discouraged. Tweaking your budget doesn't mean you failed. It means you're learning and adapting, which is exactly how to make a budget that actually works for you. To keep your budget alive, share your goals with someone you trust, or use a budgeting app that can send you reminders and notifications. Some people even like to set mini rewards for themselves. Did you stick to your budget for 3 months straight? Treat yourself to a nice dinner or a small shopping spree. These moments of motivation will reinforce positive behavior. Here's a pro tip: automate what you can. Automatic transfers to savings accounts or automated bill payments can take the stress out of budgeting. It's one less thing to think about and a huge win for consistency. By now, You've built the foundation, categorized your expenses, customized your budget, and learned to track and adjust. The key takeaway here? Budgeting is a journey, not a one-time fix. As you move forward, remember that the most effective budget is the one that evolves with you. Now you know how to make a budget that actually works for you. It's not about fitting into a mold. It's about creating a system that aligns with your unique life and goals. Start today. Define your why, track your spending, and build a budget that doesn't just exist, but thrives with you. And remember, budgeting isn't about limitation, it's about liberation. Once you control your money, you gain the freedom to live the life you want. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more practical tips and insights that elevate your financial journey. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you the tools and confidence to create a budget that truly works for you. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to check out my playlist on budgeting and saving for more in-depth tips and strategies. And don't miss my latest video for even more practical insights that can help you on your financial journey. Just click on the cards on your screen to continue learning. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. See you in the next one.